Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for the flight schedule using the airport or the city in the Alaska Airlines application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the Flight Schedules button. And at the top of the page, you have to select the City or Airport button. So first you have to set the departure city or airport. And then the arrival city or airport. And then you have to set the day, so you can just scroll down and set the date. And if there's a flight there, of course it will be there. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.